Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov, and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe.
Today I will focus on Somalia and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Somalia remains one of the most unstable countries in the world, with ongoing armed conflict, terrorism, and total breakdown of legal protections in many areas. The militant group Al-Shabaab continues to control large parts of the country and carries out suicide attacks, assassinations, and public executions. Civilians accused of defying Al-Shabaab's rules, or even of cooperating with government forces, face torture or death. In government-held areas, the state is often unable to provide effective protection due to corruption, weak institutions, and continued violence. Journalists, political opponents, and civil society leaders have been harassed, threatened, or killed by both militant and state-affiliated actors. Clan-based discrimination is widespread, with members of minority clans, including the Bantu, Barawa, and others, facing systemic exclusion, land theft, and lack of access to education or justice. Women and girls face one of the highest rates of gender-based violence in the world. Rape, domestic abuse, female genital mutilation, and early marriage are common, and survivors rarely receive help or justice. LGBT individuals face life-threatening danger. Same-sex relations are criminalized, and LGBT people are at risk of violence from their families, communities, and even the police. There are no legal protections or safe spaces for LGBT people in Somalia. Returnees, especially those perceived to have lived in the West, may be viewed with suspicion, targeted by Al-Shabaab, or accused of abandoning their culture or religion. There are documented cases of returnees being attacked, extorted, or killed. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.